favorite, you know. I used to love this as a child. Dumpling and butter. What's up, you guys? Welcome to another video. Guys, sadly, this is our last night together because Sean leaves tomorrow.
She tired of the wasting. She just want my love. Say she tired of the waiting. Over and out. Girl, you need a soldier to show you the route. Pull you in close, areola to mount. My love, no corona, Ebola could out. Whenever you're alone and you're unoccupied and you're feeling hot inside, hit me up on my line. One time.
So we're just in the kitchen cooking up some salt mackerel and dumpling and sweet potato, and this is the chef right here and pot bubbling behind us. And we already had a little taste already. So good, and I can't wait. Sean, pick up the people.
What's up, guys?
Y'all realize since Sean been back, it's just a bunch of soap, and you know, Sean, you really talk on the camera now. What's up with that?
That's for you. That's your job.
Yeah, guys. What? I'm the vlogger.
You're your loudspeaker. That's
You
fine.
too, babe. I mean,
You're my voice. You speak for me, alright? Speaking of for both of us.
Yeah, guys. So it started to sink in today. I went to work and I was driving home, and it actually started to sink in. Like, damn, Sean is leaving tomorrow. Sean was supposed to be gone from
Over a week ago.
yeah, more than a week ago, and
Almost 2 weeks ago.
yeah, almost 2 weeks ago, and just kept like extending. It's like, okay, I gotta go now because I've been back to work over a week, 2 weeks there, like, yeah,
2 weeks.
2 weeks now I've been back to work.
Yeah.
But it's been great. It's different this time. This time is different, and this goodbye,
How was it?
it's just different, babe, because a lot of great things happened.
Okay.
Fun things,
Fun things,
exciting things. Right, guys, y'all keeping up with us on Instagram. Make sure you're keeping up with me on Instagram, you know, because I be posting up a lot of pictures and stories and stuff like that, and y'all ain't following me, so y'all don't know. For those of y'all that following me, yeah, I'll put my Instagram right there on the screen anyways, so if you're not following me, go ahead and follow me so you guys can keep up with all the pics.
Yeah, what she said.
Sean, I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss him so much, y'all, and hopefully, not hopefully, it definitely will not take 11 months again for us to be together again. This long distance ain't gonna be long distance much longer. Let's just get that out there. Yeah, this distance is gonna close soon. Yeah, and I know you guys are gonna like that, you know, because Sean makes me happy.
Do I?
He does.
It's news to my ears, guys. I didn't know that.
So I can't wait for, you know, us to be together wherever that is. But yeah, it won't be 11 months for another reunion, trust me. New Year's or something, I can probably get to go to America. Maybe, we'll see. But yeah, it definitely won't be 11 months.
It's about time.
I know, Sean, I haven't been Miami since 2019 and because when I was supposed to come 2020, Corona hit and travel ban been in place for almost 2 years now. So yeah, anyways, y'all, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what we cooking. We ain't top chefs, you know, but just showing you guys a little bit of my food. So don't come for me. It's Jamaican food. It's salt mackerel. What do you call it? Rundown. Yeah, it's not rundown. It's rundown. And we both of us never cook it before, so I normally do like salt mackerel, but not with the coconut milk and stuff like that. And you know, I'll show you guys a little clips in the video, you know, when we started frying up the onions and throwing in a little bit of this and adding the coconut milk. And anyways, I'll shut up. Let me show you guys the pot. Here we are. We got the, Sean turned it off already, but we got, we got dumplings, sweet potato, and plantain in there. There we go, because it fogged up a while ago on y'all, so yeah. And in here, whoop whoop, whoop whoop, go closer. And yes, woo! Whoop, whoop, whoop.
That's it.
Yeah? So, that's what we got going on, y'all. And Sean is really the chef of this thing. Turn it around and push it back in. Turn it around and push it back in. Push it back in. Push it back in. I don't know the rest of this. You know that song?
Of course.
Yeah, sing it.
If you know it, I know.
Come, turn it around. Turn it around and push it back in. Hey, Sean! Sean, I'm gonna miss you.
Hold on. You expect me to talk after all of this? Like really? Do I really need to say anything? She have enough energy for all the way. You understand? And more. I don't need to say anything. Nothing at all. I really don't. I just need to do this. Smile and nod.
Nice.
Because, you know, all the chatting and the this
Alright,
and the...
I done. I ain't saying nothing else.
It's good enough for both of us.
Escape. Signing out. Sean, I'm signing up. People always say I chat too much. That's why YouTube is good for me. I was always a talker. But anywho, that's that, guys. And we'll take you guys with us to the airport tomorrow. Actually, we need to pack. Sean, you didn't start packing, right?
I'll be fine.
Sean leaving to, he keeps saying that, you know, every time he got a pack, Sean is like, I'll be fine. I guess he'd like boom boom bam, you know, but he ain't packed yet. So I guess we'll be up late trying to pack. So we're gonna go and eat our last meal together. ShéKayla's somewhere in the room. ShéKayla opted out of this nice meal. She wanted noodles and whatever. Boring. Yeah, so we're gonna go and enjoy our food, watch a little movie. Sean is gonna pack. We're gonna unwind, go to bed for the last time. I'm gonna go to bed with my baby, and then we say goodbye tomorrow. Not goodbye, we'll say see you later tomorrow, you know. So yeah, make sure you like this video, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed all the vlogs thus far. And I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining my family, and make sure you like the video and keep sharing the video with everybody, and comment down below and follow me on Instagram, right? I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Exactly what she said. Alright? Exactly what she said.
Oh gosh, bye guys.
Enough talking for both of you, alright?
Signing off.
You need two of you. Alright.
Here we are, guys. See them, and these dumplings I already like had one. Well, we did taste test one before. Soft and nice.
Just love chat.
I just want to tell people the dumplings soft and nice, babe. Them don't know.
Alright,
so we got sweet potato. Our planting a little bit overripe, y'all, but watch nothing. It's gonna be sweet. Yeah, it is, because it's been there a while for true. And yeah, so this is dinner, y'all. Compliments of big up yourself, chef. Hey, hey. What you doing? What you chef doing? What you,
I don't know what the excitement for.
Why? Yeah. Yeah. The vlog done now though. The vlog done here.
The vlog not done.
Okay.
You tell them so tomorrow we're going to continue.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
So no. run the prematurely.
Alright, we won't run you prematurely. My apologies.
Vlog I will continue for when she pick up it and start again.
See you guys tomorrow to share with me my sadness.
I don't want that airport, you know. I don't want the
babe, I am gonna cry though.
You understand?
You think I could actually say goodbye to you without crying? Sean, that's not possible.
Listen.
That's not possible. Last time, see me here walking to the airport, I cry. Me and Kayla cry.
We don't want to the airport.
But Kayla gonna cry. She always make me cry, because she always, and she done do some proper crying till she like that.
Last time Kayla have a mask up in her face.
Can't help it. But I'm gonna try to be strong.
Yeah.
Like I said before, this goodbye is different, so I'm gonna try to be strong. And yeah, y'all gonna be there with me, right?
Just hold it in, man, you know?
Go on, hold it.
Let's go and hold it, you know?
Alright. Check y'all tomorrow at the airport.
Or before.
Or before, yeah. We'll talk to y'all on the way there or something.
Camera go take up back.
Yeah.
Trust me, camera go take up. No worry on yourself. Camera go take up.
Anyways, I got my belly rumbling. I'm hungry. Bye.